Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching Flourish by Flora. And if you're not a subscriber yet, you know what to do. Please do subscribe and please check. And also please click the notification bell so you will be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay, it's another unboxing guys, but this time is different because it's oh, I'm not telling you. Let's open it. Okay. Oh dear, who's that?
Baby.
We got like a horsey in the house. Look at this guys, we got a new kettle.
New kettle for Christmas and the New Year.
Yeah. Look at that. So it's nice because our old kettle is there's already loads of limescale. So this one is very useful. So we can make tea, coffee any time of the day without worrying about limescale inside the kettle. So this
Like
is
the old one.
sparkling clean. It's nice to buy new stuff, guys, you know. Oh, so that's the one. So the thing is, I thought it's quite longer, but it's a bit short.
Making them shorter and shorter.
Yeah, you have to be very close to the socket. Oh, that's it. Oh, recycle your old product. So, who will recycle it?
We have to send it back to Caris.
Send it. So
Yeah.
you have to pay for the postage.
Arrange it out that they can collect it or you have to take it to them.
Okay, so this is the kettle. Oh, that's nice. It's amazing. I love this kettle. I like the color.
Yeah.
It's so vibrant. And it's shiny. Cute. Oh, so this is easy to clean, I think. Oh, so like that. It's so shiny. It's amazing.
This is stainless steel. The other one was plastic.
Oh, so this is stainless steel.
I
So
just
this
hope
is
it
easy
doesn't
to clean.
taste of metal when you boil water.
Yeah, so this is easy to clean. So you have to boil the water first. Put full water and then boil it and then throw it and then do it 3 times. It's fine. So the taste of the metal gone. you won't taste it when you make your tea or coffee. Yeah, so it's easy to open. So this is metal as well, this thing. And then wow, we get a new kettle, guys. Happy, happy, happy. It is. Ah, and this one too. Aray. Yes. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Love, love, love.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ho, 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 ho. Love, love, love.